So what's going on, guys? Sorry for the lack of uploads lately. My girlfriend and I actually went away for a few days. Rented a little cottage sort of thing and just kind of hung out there for Valentine's Day and that whole weekend, so that was pretty nice. And the Ranger's been having clutch problems as well. Aside from that, my plate lights have burnt out as well. So you guys may remember like 6 or 7 months ago I bought these LED license plate lights. They're built into the housing. They're like 30 bucks on Amazon. Well, turns out that they're cheap garbage. That's why I bought these. Legitimate Ford quality housings and a pack of LED bulbs to go inside. So if you guys did see the original video, you know it's pretty simple to get these out. All you do is you pry them out with a flathead screwdriver. There's little tabs right here. Just like that. Corrosion in there. You can see it's like broken, yeah, burnt out garbage. Oh, well, that explains a lot there. Garbage. The wires broke right out. So I didn't even know this, but it includes everything right to the plug with halogen bulbs as well. So I'm just gonna pull this out. There we go. And then it just twists right back in. LED bulb is in. There we go. All right. Oops. Let's make sure it works. I don't know if you guys will be able to see in the daylight, but the light's on. Just like that. Hopefully this one puts up less of a fight. Oh. Okay. As you can see, it's in there. Good. Oh, well, it's not on. Oh. Oh my god. That had me nervous. Both lights are on. They are not as bright as the old ones, but last thing I was gonna do here, along with the plate lights, is the dome light. Now this dome light has been flickering. It's got a weak connection clearly, and sometimes it doesn't work at all, like you just might have saw. So get that thing. Oh, that landed. I don't know how it wedged itself under there. That's impressive. But here we are. Okay, well, So I put this in. I don't know if I made that, put that in the video. I think I did. So I'm not sure, you know, what exactly is going on in here. The old bulb burnt out, and you can tell that this little housing here is, you know, discolored as well. So I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna give this contact cleaner a shot. So we're gonna see if this actually works. So I'm gonna use that on the housing I'm still working on, or still using, I mean. So give it a spray. Let it dry. Now I'll definitely show you guys what the license plate lights look like at night. And I'll go back to my old footage and show you a comparison between the old ones, the aftermarket ones that I grabbed, and these ones. These ones are clearly a lot dimmer than the aftermarket cheap ones I got, and that's simply because the LED inside the housing is turned in the factory housing, whereas in the Amazon $20 ones, the LEDs were pointing directly at the license plate, and it was actually too bright, I would say. Like, it was a good brightness for the day, but at nighttime, like cameras, have a drive-by video of my truck when I first put the plate lights in. You can't even read the plate. That's how bright they are. Cameras cannot adjust to the brightness of that, but that's not promising. I wonder something. Oh, no way. Check that out. So it turns out it's the bulb. Cheap bulb. That plate light works inside the dome. I haven't had that working in a while. Alright guys, so this is the nighttime update like I said I would give you. So I'm actually on my lunch at work right now, but you can see here's the dome light, which produces a good amount of light. I wish I had a light like this for my Civic when I had it. It really brightens up everything. Maybe it's because I'm used to it being really dark, but really lights up the interior well. And for the plate lights, which very interested to see how they were going to turn out. You can see they look very good. Not as bright as the cheap ones, like I said, but a perfect amount of brightness, I would say. And these will last a while. They won't break. The wires won't crack. I'm really happy about that. And the dome light. Hope you guys enjoyed. And there is big things still to come for the Ranger. Do not worry. I might be giving you a hint right now. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.